Alright, the next item is how to design 3D book cover and mockups. Okay, so we already have our book designed, we have the cover designed. So what you just do, head over to, we'll be using a web service, head over to your browser and visit DIY bookcovers.com. okay, DIY bookcovers /3D mockups. Okay, all right, so here you can create designs like this with your book. Okay, this not DIY bookcovers.com. all right, so and you do this, you are doing this for free. Okay, DIY don't charge any money for that. So what you do now is you want to enter book design, then go to 3D mockups. Okay, sorry, it's not where book design was going on. Okay, let me scroll down, maybe 3D mockups is there. Okay, let me just visit where I can do it straight up instead of going to their homepage, DIYbookcovers.com /3D mockups. Let me visit this. Okay, this is still not what I want. The mockups / then the hash icon. So let me see. All right, so free online book mockup maker in few easy steps. So you see different templates you can use. Okay, you see different templates. Let me put my phone on desktop mode. All right, so here we have it. So first step, you want to select the format or the template you want to use. Okay, you can use single or you can use composite. Composite means it will carry different book types, ebooks, phone, tab, and all of that. You can just do that. So if you want a single design, you can just come here. Let's say you pick this design. Okay, once you have picked the design, you want to select the image. Okay, click on next. Then here you upload the image you want to use for the design. So we use this book that we just designed now. Did it enter? Then you click upload. So once it has finished uploading, you want to click on next. Then you can either download a PNG file or a JPEG file. Okay, PNG if you want to use it on other designs, all right, or a JPEG. PNG will not have a background, okay, but JPEG format will have. So I'll download the PNG file. You can even go ahead and download the both. Okay, so I think our download is complete. Let me check what we have. Let me go to my gallery. Alright, so you see what we have for the PNG file. Okay, so like this I can use it for other designs, and I can download the JPEG file as well. Just click on JPEG and it will download into your device. Okay, so now let's make a composite sample. Go back to step 1, back, and then choose a composite sample, a tab, the book and a phone copy, okay, a phone mockup. So you choose that, you click next, okay, the same image, you click next, and then you download the PNG and you also download the JPEG file, okay. So let's check my gallery, let's see what we have there now. So here is a JPEG format for this, okay. Here is the PNG file, here is the JPEG for the composite format, and then here is the PNG. Then you can just download the JPEG as well, okay. Then you can also, let's head over to Canva. Let me do something else with these ones we just did just now, okay. Go to Canva, go to the home page, let me pick a blank slate.